Hey, come on.
Can't see his other hand.
See your hand. Let me see your hand right now.
I can't see it.
He got a gun. He's got a gun. He's got a gun.
Got a gun on him.
Drop it.
Drop the gun.
Drop it.
Drop the gun.
Drop the gun now.
Where is the gun? I can't see
Hey,
it.
he's got it right there in the center. Drop the gun.
Is it on, his hand on it?
Yeah, his hand's on it. Drop the gun. Drop the gun now.
Drop it.
Watch your crossfire, guys.
Drop the gun now.
These cars. Somebody stop these cars.
Drop the gun.
Where is it?
Right there in the center. He's got it right on the dude.
He's on him?
Yes.
It's pointed at him?
Yes.
Drop the gun.
Drop the gun.
Gun.
Going hot.
Drop the gun.
Let's move up.
Shots fired. Drop the gun.
Where's the gun?
Drop it. Drop the gun.
Get somebody to secure that pistol.
Got the gun?
Yeah, I got the gun. Check for injuries. Somebody check on our driver. Is he okay? Okay. Sorry, that's quick clot. Start trying to put it on those neck wounds.
Gloves.
Try to stuff it.
It ain't worth it.
And hold pressure.